Introducing the Megamaster Coalsmith Series Alpha Grill and Smoker. Celebrate the craft of cooking on charcoal and smoke like a true pit master with this ultimate grill equipped with offset smoker. This heavy-duty matte black steel construction withstands all outside elements and frequent heavy use. The lid features a built-in raised thermometer, perfect for the smoking enthusiast, allowing you to monitor temperatures inside without letting flavorful smoke escape. The offset smoker allows you to turn the main chamber into a smoke chamber. Wood can be added when needed without losing the flavor smoke during the long smoking process. With this amount of versatility, you need all the space you can get for prepping ingredients, plates, or anything else you need. So we added a front table and swinging side table, which conveniently folds down when not in use. Inside the Megamaster's Alpha Grill and Smoker's main chamber, you'll find durable porcelain enameled grids, offering a roomy direct braaiing surface. Below that, an adjustable cold tray allows for precise heat control while grilling. Easily move and reposition your braai smoker on the sturdy wheels. The Megamaster Coalsmith Series Alpha Grill and Smoker is the first choice for the aspiring pitmaster. Megamaster, together made better.